What's the meaning of capitalization? Capitalization. Capitalization.
Capitalization. Capitalization. Capitalization refers to the use of capital letters to start a word, usually at the beginning of a sentence or for proper nouns. This can also refer to the total value of a company's stock or the process of raising funds for a business by selling stocks or bonds. The use of capitalization in writing is important for clarity and correctness, as it helps to distinguish between proper nouns and common nouns, among other things. In the context of finance, capitalization refers to the monetary value of a company and its ability to raise funds through issuing securities.